Big size. Large size, okay.
Large, but I can't find, I can only afford 1,000.
3,000.
1,000.
Hello, I'm Reanne and this is my husband Ben. We sold our business, rented out our house and quit our jobs to travel the world for a year.
So today we are shopping for our Everest base camp trip. So far we've got our gloves, buttered them down, 2 pairs for 1,000. That is £6 for 2, so £3 each.
That's like decent size, isn't it?
Wow.
Which one? You like that one?
This medium
like-
size, this big size. 70, 75. This one 60.
60.
Yeah, we want the smaller one, didn't we?
Smaller one, yeah.
This one 75. This one. This.
Yeah.
This one on board.
Would you reckon that one?
Let's leave that one or that one.
This one. Yeah. How much?
25. 1,500. 1,500. 25. 2,000. This one.
15. This one's 1,500.
No, that one's 25.
25. 1,500. This one.
1,500.
This is the best quality. This one. Taken by this cover here.
Yeah, we got one of them.
Big
Yeah.
These are rod. This is dark. This is shape.
That was small.
This, would you do this one for 1,000?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
This color black, navy blue. Yeah, this one.
No, that one's alright.
This market is absolutely massive. It goes on and on and on. So far, we've got the backpack. We just need hiking boots. That's our main 2 things.
Um.
2,000.
2,000.
This quality. This one. Big size. Large size. Okay.
Large, but I can't find, I can only afford 1,000.
3,000.
1,000. That's all I got.
Last price.
Last price. This is all we got. We're poor.
2,000. Okay.
Huh?
1,500.
1,500.
1,000.
1,000.
Otherwise, I'll just get the same ones as you.
Yeah.
1,000.
Yeah. Best price. Best price.
1,400. Okay. Yeah. 1,400.
Well, we've only got 1,000.
Otherwise, you'll get other ones. That's alright.
Yeah. No.
1,000? Yeah. What size are they? Does it fit?
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jacket. This one.
I've got a jacket.
We got a jacket.
Yeah.
What else do we need?
Sit and clothes.
Oh yeah, just the thing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Right, we got our socks. This was £1.30 for 2 pairs. So
So we've randomly walked into this like outside store. It's like a bargain bin. And you can get tops for like £2.
just what we need, isn't it?
Perfect.
When you return back,
Yeah.
I calculated and then I return back your money, okay?
Money, yeah.
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 Like one sleeping bag for the $2, okay?
Okay,
Yeah,
100, yeah? 100 and
100, 100, yeah. So 200 today. Rupees.
200 rupees a day.
No, this $2, this $2.
Yeah, but
we're not dollars.
we're not American. We're English.
in rupees.
In rupees. Tell us in
The rupees
rupees.
is here. 120 for the $1.
240.
Yeah.
So 240 a day, yeah?
Yeah, to like 120 into 4. Like this money for the 1 day.
For both.
Yeah, both.
Yeah.
Everest Base Camp packing list. So this is what we're going to try and fit into our bags. So we've both got 6 litre bags. They look quite small after you look at all this stuff laid out, but we're hoping it fits. We'll start off with main stuff. So these are our first aid kit with plasters, bandages, poo tablets, bit of Pepto-Bismol. We've got some sore throat because I've heard like higher up you get, your throat gets sore. Sun cream, some wipes when we start stinking, headache tablets and water purifier tablets. Water bottle each, over a litre. We got our neck scarves, £2.50 each, water bottles. Neck scarves, they were like 75p, we got one each. We both got a pair of gloves. We paid 1,000 for both, so they were £3 each. Quite good gloves. We got a pair of hiking socks, warm thermal ones. These were 100 each, weren't they? So 75p each. These are the bits that we bought out here in Kathmandu. So if you come out here, you know what you can get out here. We've got some long thermal tops. We've got 2 each. We've got like these thin ones. This one's Ben, and like a thicker one. This one's Ben's as well. And we got like 4 of these for like £4 because there was like a jumble sale market street thing going on, so we were well chuffed of them. We both bought a pair of hiking trousers out here. These are Ben's. These are more like a thinner waterproof material, so they come off like shorts. You just unzip there and you can turn them into shorts if it gets hot. And these were 1,000 rupees, which is £6. And then my pair is more like elasticated, kind of like yoga pantsies, a bit more stretchy and a little bit thicker, but I'm hoping they're waterproof. They told me they're waterproof, but I don't know if they just tell you that, if just to buy them. Oh, they're poppers. Oh no, it's a loop. Poppers, when your belly gets a bit big.
I don't think it will on hike. You'll be hiking every day.
Yeah, but these were 1,000 rupees as well, £6. We bought it down from 2,000 rupees to 1,000. Sleeping bags, so this is Ben's one. Look how big his is. But we are paying $2 a day for them, so we're probably going to be about 14 days, whatever that adds up to.
28.
28.
$28.
$28.
That's right, isn't it? 14 days, $2 a day, $28.
Yeah, but that's per person, isn't it? So it's 40, 50, $56. So it'll be about $56 by the end of it for both them sleeping bags, which I think it's really cheap considering to buy them. I think they're like 50 quid, probably more than that.
Yeah.
But these are like thick, good ones because it's going to be cold. We're going in a cold time. Underwear, I won't show you my underwear, but we've got underwear packed. I think that's all the things we actually bought here. Oh, our coats we bought here as well. We both got one of these North Face coats. This was our most expensive purchase, which was £13 each. We bought it down. We bought 2 for 4,500 rupees, which is about £13, £13.50 each. So try and make a deal with them. Say if we'll get 2, if there's 2 of you, we do it at this price. And Ben also got some hiking boots out here, didn't you? That was our biggest purchase. We paid a bit more than we wanted to. These were about £27, but Ben's been wearing them the last couple of days, and you said they're well comfy.
Yeah, all right.
And obviously real North Face.
Obviously real.
Obviously. But because these were the last pair, we got them down like a bit cheaper, so. Oh, and we bought another power bag.
Essential.
Essential, we only had one, so we bought another one. Hopefully it's good. But the other things we're just packing that we had ourselves is like another pair of trousers, a couple of like short sleeve tops because I think we'll be a bit warm at the beginning, and then we change into t-shirts and long sleeve tops, and then I got some like hiking, what do you call them, cycling shorts, just in case. I hate being hot and I hate being cold, and I've just got like a long sleeve cheap couple of quid t-shirt to wear at night. And we've got our hats. Crunk, sponsor us, Crunk. That's Ben's hat. My hat's on. We're taking a cap each as well, and we're going to take a couple pairs of sunglasses because we've heard once you get higher up, the sun rays are quite bad. So that's why we've got sun cream. Food, this is our snacks. We don't know if we've gone a bit overboard, but we heard on the track like the prices start shooting up the further you got up, so we thought we'd be prepared with a few snacks. So we've got some peanut butter and some bread. So we're going to make up some peanut butter sandwiches for like tomorrow. So while we're hiking, we don't have to mess around trying to buy food. And this should hopefully do us a couple of days like as lunch. We just got like granola bites and some granola to have in the morning for breakfast because we can just walk along eating it. Because it's something to do, isn't it? I'd rather walk along eating than sit in the like tea house, but we'll have dinner every night in there. It's got some wafers, some stuff and sweets, just some biscuits and chocolates. Ben's got a beer for when we get to base
Everest
camp.
base camp, yep.
So don't burst with the altitude. And then a couple of toilet rolls because there's no toilet rolls anywhere. And we're going to both take our earphones. We've got Ben's ones we can probably share because we've downloaded some podcasts we can listen on the way. Our other power bank and some water, but we've got water purifiers, so hopefully we can just use our water on the way. But I think that is it. That is our Everest Base Camp packing list. We will add after the hike what things we didn't need and we wish we did take.
Guys, make sure you follow us on our travel page, OTWD_travel. Give us a message if you're thinking of doing Everest Base Camp trek, and we will give you our route and our packing list. But make sure you're following us because nothing in life is free. We've got our socks. So these was £1.30. These were £1.30 each. So what's that per pair? Give us. Oh, I'm gonna laugh for some reason. Right. I keep wanting to laugh, but not. Right. Oh, I can't get it out of my head now. I want to laugh. Right. Oh, I can't.